We are continuing our series of reviewing the budget gaming laptops. Last time it was the Dell 7567, the Red Monster, and this time around we have this beast of a laptop, the MSI GE62 Apache Pro. It is available at the price of Rs 1,40,000. It is a tad bit higher compared to the 7567, but you are getting a lightweight body and more powerful performance. I'm Yankee and let's find out how powerful this laptop really is. Compared to other laptops at this price range, it is quite lightweight. However, the build is a bit questionable as it's a mixture of plastic and aluminium. Also, the hinge is too stiff to open with one hand. It has minimum screen and body flex, which is a nice thing. The top of the laptop is a smudge magnet and the bottom feels kind of cheap too. The laptop on the outside looks quite thick, but it is really light as it weighs around just 2 kgs. The display is a full HD IPS panel with a maximum 60Hz refresh rate. The viewing angles, color accuracy, and brightness levels are all decent. It is scored 54.4 on Adobe RGB test and 84.4 on sRGB test. Its pixel density is at 141 ppi, which is decent enough. Internally, a 6th generation Core i7 quad-core processor is in charge of the processing power, paired with a single channel 16 GB of RAM. These are some of the best specs you can find on a gaming laptop. Multiple resource-hungry apps like Photoshop, Illustrators, and Chrome run simultaneously with ease. But most importantly, this laptop comes with GTX1060. Now, it is a decent graphics card, but it can handle almost any graphic-intensive task with ease. This is literally the perfect laptop for 1080p gaming on a budget. AAA titles will cross the 60 FPS sweet spot on high settings with ease. It is also one of the most affordable VR-ready gaming laptop, so you can enjoy VR games on it if you have the right gears with you. The laptop doesn't run much hot either, but in case if it does, there is a dedicated key to turn the fans to their maximum capacity, giving you the optimum cooling possible whenever required. While playing graphic-intensive games, the laptop stayed comfortably warm. The left hand rest does get hot on some occasion though, but all in all, the laptop stays comfortable to use. The laptop is also quite thick, which might have helped a lot with the thermals. The keyboard is RGB backlit with 4 configurable zones, giving you that extra street credit in the gaming community. The keyboard itself is pretty nice as well, good key travel and clicky buttons. The one complaint, however, would be the trackpad, which is just awful. Not that you are going to use it anyway while gaming. Storage-wise, you get a 256 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard disk drive, with a read and write speeds of 500 Mbps and 300 Mbps. They aren't really that bad either. The good thing is they are easily swappable, so a faster or larger storage options are easily accessible. The laptop also features some decent external speakers, but there is a little tear in the sound quality at high volumes, so pair them with the extensively loud fans and you'll be better off with headphones. Also, the mediocre 51 Wh battery only lasts for 2.5 hours on normal usage, while gaming don't expect it to last more than an hour. For online gaming, I would prefer LAN rather than the onboard Wi-Fi, which is also good if you are closer to your router. So for 1,40,000 rupees, you're getting a 6th generation quad-core i7 with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a well-cooled GTX1060 graphics, and a decent display. This laptop is especially for those who want a performer. Also, the alternatives for this laptop is the Acer Predator Helios 300 and the Lenovo Legion Y520. So that's it for the full review of MSI GE62 Apache Pro. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any queries regarding this laptop or any laptops at this price point, drop them down in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is me, Yankee, signing off.